Good morning, class. Today we are going to start our new chapter, differential equations. What is differential equation? An equation containing an independent variable. Independent variable means x. Dependent variable means y. And differential coefficient of dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called a differential equation. Means a differential equation is in the form contains independent variable means x, dependent variable means y, and differential coefficient of dependent variable with respect to independent variable means dy by dx, d2y by dx square, d3y by dx cube, and so on. Then for example, dy by dx equal sin x plus tan x. It is differential coefficient of dependent variable with respect to independent variable and it contains x, or d2y by dx square 5 dy by dx plus 3y. These are examples of differential equation. It contains differential coefficient, dependent variable, and also x, which is independent variable. Now, order of differential equation. The order of a differential equation is the order of the highest order derivative appearing in the equation. For example, we have d3y by dx cube minus 6 d2y by dx square whole square minus 4y. Since the order of the highest order derivative is it is d2y by dx square and it is d3y by dx cube, means highest order derivative is 3, then order of differential equation is 3. Another example, we have d2y by dx square plus 5y equal 0. Since the order of the highest order derivative is highest order derivative is 2, then order of DE, order of differential equation is 2. Now, degree of a differential equation. The degree of a differential equation is the degree of the highest order derivative when differential coefficients are made free from fraction and radicals. or the given equation expressed in a polynomial in derivative. For example, it is a given equation and we have to find the degree of this differential equation. So firstly we change it in a polynomial and derivative or made it free from radical or fraction. For it, squaring both sides, we have 1 plus dy by dx square equal no, it is free from radical or fraction. Now the degree of the highest order derivative. What is highest order derivative? It is dy by dx, and it is d2y by dx square, means it is second order. Then it is highest order derivative and its degree is 2. Then degree of the differential equation is 2. If we have to find the order of this differential equation, then order is 2 because it is the highest order derivative in this differential equation.